What's going on, people? Welcome back to Jamaica Alpha Space. Remember to subscribe. Alright, so I'm just here. I'm not doing anything. I'm just sitting down in my car, as you can see. And I thought it was a good time to teach you how to say, I am chilling. Right? You know, in America, when you're not doing much and you're just hanging out, there is another term. You say, I'm just hanging out, or I'm chilling. In Jamaica, when we're doing that, we say, me there, or me there easy. Me there, or me there easy. Me there, or me there easy.